Hi, it's Sachi. So this is a DIY leather bag kit. I never tried leathercraft and I didn't know where to start, but this seemed like a really good place. This kit was sent to me by Babylon Leather. They also sent me a discount code for you to try. I am a complete beginner when it comes to leather crafting, so I'm a little bit worried how it's going to turn out, but they assured me that even a beginner like me can do it. So let's see how it's going to work out.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Babylon Leathers. First, check all the materials based on the video. If there is no problem, you can start making this. Then, pass the needle tip through the middle of the thread.
So I'm going to start with this decorative stitch at the top of this side piece. Your thread needs to be 6 times where you're sewing. This came with the set too, and it cuts really nicely. And you need 2 needles, 1 on each end of the thread. So this is like a really thick and waxed thread. So the video tells me to put the needle through the thread just like this and pull it. And that's how you're going to thread the needle. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, like this, and threading like this, and pull it. Okay, so it's not going anywhere. I'm looking at the right side of the fabric or the leather piece and putting the first stitch through the corner hole and using the second needle, I'm gonna put this needle through the second hole and pulling it, then pull both needles to make sure I have the same length here. Then using the first needle, I'm going to stitch through the second hole from the right side to the wrong side, and then pulling this thread kind of down a little bit so that I'm not putting the needle through the thread here. So just through the hole and like this. Yay, my first stitch in leather crafting. So I'm just going to do this from here to here. think I kind of messed up a little. I cut the end of this tube because it was too long, like this. But I cut it to this, the end of this edge here. But I think I was supposed to cut it at the end of this sewn part. Like on this side, the tube is up to the last stitch, and I think I cut it too short, but I don't think I can do anything now. I was trying to push this just a little bit to kind of make it even, but it's not budging, so I might have to just leave it as is. Okay, for the second one, I cut the tube right at the end of the stitch for this part, and also I angled it. I think this looks slightly better. There's not much difference, but I like how this one turned out. So this one was a little bit too short, and this one is cut in an angle, and I think this turned out a little bit better. Now I'm going to add this handle to the big piece. So this is matching this pattern and the top of this piece here. So I'm going to fold this like this and sew through all the layers. The video says that the thread needs to be 3 times of this length. So I was working on this bag for a couple hours yesterday, and I'm pretty addicted to it. But my fingers started hurting around here where I pulled the threads really tightly. So I think I need some kind of gloves. There must be some kind of leather working gloves, right? I think I really need one. This part was really hard because we had to go through a lot of layers. But after I passed this area, it's really easy because the holes really line up nicely. The handles are attached, so now I'm going to sew this bottom piece. The video says to put the bottom piece on top of the bag material, so like this, then sew from here to here.
I have a bag.
You like it?
Wait.
So I can see that there is slight shaping to the bottom piece, and this is a kind of detail that makes a difference in the final result. As a pattern maker, I really appreciate the details like this. So I'm supposed to put these here, 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 here. Wait. Maybe this is what I'm supposed to wear to protect my fingers? And I guess this is a protector. I think it's looking really nice. I'm really excited. Now I'm going to add this side piece here. Like this. I'm supposed to match these holes and these slightly bigger holes here. So the thread needs to be 4 times the length of these 3 edges. These are actually really helpful. So it's protecting my fingers. They also help me grip the needle much better. It would be pretty embarrassing and also funny if it turned out to be that these are included for completely different purposes. This is my 5th day working on this bag. The bag is coming along really nicely. I just need to add this zipper piece. Very nice and smooth zipper. So I just need to add this to the top of the bag like this. So the instructions said to sew 12 stitches first, then 1 more stitch, and then attach this piece, and then stitch to the end. But now I'm at this end. I have 11 stitches after I'm done with this piece. So I have 11 stitches here, and I have 13 stitches here. So I'm gonna try to redo everything on this edge. I'm gonna try to do 12 stitches here and 12 stitches here. I used this bamboo stick to undo the seam. It's not too sharp at the edge. I think it worked pretty well. So this is how it came out. So I really love how it turned out. It was a perfect project for a beginner like me. If you want to try to make a bag for yourself or for your loved ones, I have a link and a discount code in the description box below. But full disclosure, it is an affiliate link. That means that if you make a purchase through the link, I get a small portion of the purchase without any additional cost to you. I know some people don't like affiliate links, so you don't have to use it, but my discount code is 30% off, so if you want to use it, it's there. This bag was gifted to me by Babylon Leather, and they have been nothing but lovely to work with. So from my experience, I can recommend this company with confidence. They also have leather materials and patterns if you don't like DIY kits. And if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. And I'm very new to the leather craft, so if you have any recommendations or suggestions, please leave that in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing! I have a link and discount codes in the description in the description box below.